Welcome back to Trending Cars, where we bring you the latest and most exciting vehicles in the automotive world. Today we're reviewing the 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome, a stunning new model that's quickly becoming a favorite for travel lovers. With its futuristic design, high comfort features, solid performance, and smart pricing, it could be your next dream ride for road adventures. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome stands out with a bold, modern design. The front sports Mitsubishi's signature dynamic shield grille, sleek LED headlights, and fog lamps. Its aerodynamic body improves fuel efficiency, while the smooth lines and slightly raised roof offer more space and a stylish look. You also get large side mirrors with cameras for better visibility, a power-operated side awning, rooftop solar panels, and a built-in ladder, all giving it a rugged yet premium appeal. Step inside, and the luxury continues. The interior feels like a compact luxury apartment. The main living space uses soft-touch materials, wood-textured panels, and ambient LED lighting. Two large recliners swivel and convert into beds, while the dining area features a versatile table for meals, work, or play. The kitchenette is fully equipped with an induction cooktop, microwave, dual-compartment fridge, and filtered sink, all designed for efficient use of space. At the back, there's a cozy queen-size memory foam bed with overhead storage, USB ports, and blackout curtains for privacy. The washroom is well-designed, with a toilet, sink, and hot water shower. All compact, yet spacious enough for comfort. Mitsubishi's smart layout ensures every inch is used effectively. Under the hood, this motorhome runs on a hybrid powertrain, combining a 2.4-liter turbocharged petrol engine with an electric motor. The result? Strong torque, better fuel economy, and smooth driving even on hills or rough terrain. It's supported by upgraded suspension and four-wheel handling. Safety and convenience are also top-notch, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, downhill control, and a 360-degree camera system. As for pricing, the base model of the 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome starts around $89,000, offering excellent value. Top-tier variants with solar panels, upgraded interiors, and more tech go up to $115,000. Compared to others in this segment, it offers a balanced mix of comfort, features, and price. That's it for today's detailed review. If you're planning long road trips or embracing van life, the 2026 Mitsubishi Motorhome might be your perfect travel partner.
The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, a creation that takes Ferrari's racing soul and stretches it into a breathtaking home on wheels. Picture the prancing horse badge now stamped proudly on a sleek, fiery red motorhome that screams both speed and luxury from the outside. It wears the unmistakable Ferrari design language, sculpted curves, carbon fiber accents, and aggressive aerodynamic lines. The low-slung front end with laser-sharp LED headlights creates a bold, focused stare, while the side profile is enhanced with massive alloy wheels, rear spoilers, and functional side vents. Built to slice through air despite its larger body, this motorhome still carries the drama and swagger of a Ferrari supercar at the rear. The triple exhaust setup diffuser and sweeping taillights finish off its commanding presence, truly standing out on highways or racetracks. Moving into the interior, imagine stepping into an old 5-star mobile suite grounded in Ferrari's racing DNA. The cockpit up front is driver-focused, wrapped in premium Alcantara and leather finished with red stitching, carbon fiber trims, and a flat-bottom steering wheel. The dashboard features massive digital screen. Sliding doors lead into the living space, where you will find Italian leather couches, sculpted bucket-style recliner seats, and high-gloss carbon cabinetry. Ambient lighting pulses gently along the edges, creating a warm, upscale vibe. The kitchen area offers a compact induction cooktop, luxury wine cooler, espresso machine, and smart cabinets. The sleeping quarters feature an adjustable queen-size bed with memory foam mattress surrounded by suede-wrapped walls. A full-size rain shower crafted from brushed titanium and marble textures completes the lavish interior. Cleverly designed storage spaces keep everything clean and minimalist as you travel for performance. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome pushes boundaries. It is powered powered by a twin-turbocharged V1.2 hybrid engine producing an earth-shaking 780 horsepower, linked with an intelligent all-wheel drive system and race-derived suspension technology. Acceleration is breathtaking, with a 0 to 60 time of only 3 seconds, unheard of in the motorhome segment. Ferrari Magnaride dampers and carbon ceramic brakes deliver exceptional handling and stopping power whether carving mountain passes or cruising coastal highways. The hybrid system ensures smoother power delivery and even improves fuel economy compared to traditional supercar engines. Advanced aerodynamics allow this motorhome to maintain astonishing stability at high speeds. Active flaps adjust in real time, giving you a thrilling yet safe doctor. Now touching on price, this iconic machine doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Ferrari motorhome starts around $1.3 million and can exceed $2 million depending on bespoke options. Owners can add features like solar roofing, panoramic glass skylights, digital entertainment walls, smart home controls with voice commands, and personalized interiors. Each model is hand-finished in Maranello, ensuring that no two are fully identical. This makes every Ferrari motorhome a collectible masterpiece. In conclusion, the 2026 Ferrari motorhome is a bold revolution blending race. Welcome back to Trading Cars. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the all-new 2026 Toyota RV motorhome, a vehicle that's been making serious waves in the recreational vehicle world. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures or looking to live life on the road full-time, this new offering from Toyota brings reliability, innovation, and comfort together like never before. Let's dive straight into what makes this RV stand out from the rest. Starting with the exterior. The 2026 Toyota RV motorhome has a sleek, modern look that sets it apart from traditional boxy designs. Toyota has managed to balance aerodynamic efficiency with a bold presence, giving the RV a smooth, rounded front profile. LED daytime running lights and a streamlined roofline that helps improve fuel economy and reduce wind noise on the highway. The body is built using lightweight yet durable composite materials, and the roof features factory-installed solar panels that help power onboard electronics when you're off-grid. The RV sits on an updated chassis that offers better ground clearance, making it capable of handling campgrounds, gravel roads, and even light off-road conditions with confidence. The powered awning, LED exterior lighting, and multiple storage compartments make setting up camp easy and convenient. Step inside, and you'll instantly notice how Toyota has focused on maximizing every inch of interior space without sacrificing comfort. The 2026 Toyota RV features a warm, minimalist design with clean lines, natural textures, and ambient lighting that creates a calming atmosphere. The layout includes a queen-sized bed in the rear, a convertible dining area, a fully equipped kitchenette, and a wet bath. You'll find high-quality finishes throughout: soft-touch surfaces, eco-friendly cabinetry, and stain-resistant upholstery that's perfect for long-term travel. One of the standout features is the new Smart RV Control Hub. This system allows you to monitor and manage power usage, water levels, climate, and lighting through a touchscreen panel or mobile app, making it incredibly user-friendly. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Toyota RV doesn't disappoint. It's powered by a 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid powertrain, delivering an impressive balance of torque and fuel efficiency. With a combined output of around 260 horsepower, it has more than enough power to cruise comfortably at highway speeds, even when fully loaded. Toyota's CVT transmission has been tuned for smoother shifts and better towing capability, and the vehicle comes equipped with regenerative braking, helping to extend battery life when traveling downhill. Safety is also top tier, thanks to Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, pedestrian detection, and a 360-degree camera system that makes navigating tight spaces a breeze. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Toyota RV motorhome starts at approximately $115,000 for the base trim, which already includes most standard features. Higher trims with premium interiors, larger battery systems, and expanded solar capacity can reach up to $145,000. Compared to other motorhomes in this class, Toyota offers exceptional value, especially when you consider the advanced tech and long-term reliability. Asterisk, that's it for today's deep dive into the 2026 Toyota RV. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. This is Trading Cars, and we'll catch you on the next drive. Safe travels out there.